Greetings, it's Lani Ndlovu here. I was looking at the 23-man squad that Hugo Bros selected for the friendly match against Zambia. So I'm kind of confused. Like Hugo Bros, firstly, he said like he's not into like old players. For example, Lodge. He said like Lodge will never play for Bafana Bafana because he's like old and stuff. But at the same time, Hugo Bros Utiena, he's hoping for Tembazwane to recover from injury. So I'm like, Kanti, Hugo Bros, like he's the type of a coach who's into young players or old players, or he like mixes his squad. Like so, like I'm concerned. Like what are the requirements like to to join like Bafana Bafana squad? Cause like I mean we have like players, who really performed in the past few weeks. The likes of uh, the Kaizer Chief left back Bradley Cross. Bengicabanga ukuthi uzomfaka la cause it's like I mean it's a friendly match. You have to like check abanye abadlali ukuthi badlala kanjani kwi-friendly match. You have like players like abo Duduzi Shabalala. I think ukori praise kwi-previous match in other previous matches bekalokhu enza kahle. Angazi why engaselectwanga. And enye confusion yami ne bathi uSi-Abbas and uTebogo Mokoena, they play the same position and they play for team A1, which means if Tebogo Mokoena is playing but uSi-Abbas is not playing, so how do you like select labadlali boyi-2? Because phela it means like uTebogo Mokoena, if he's playing but uSi-Abbas is not playing, yet wena ubaselecta boyi-2. And another confusion, Nimte Jela, Nosipho Mbuli. I think they play the same position with Orlando Pirates. They are both like attacking midfielders for Pirates, which means they play in number 10 or by 2. And if Nimte Jela is playing, Osipho Mbuli is on the bench, which means for Bafana squad, we have to select at least one of those players. I also by selectable two. But next time Hugo Bros uzombona aselecta Usipho Chaine and Nomelo Sipteles. You see, it doesn't make sense. It's a little